Khubor Laitkam kijing tip nam ta Khubor Laitkam te kane ka we kade hapo nongpo ribhoi district te kan play kom kane ka advertisement ka ba apply. Application duly fill in standard form along with complete biodata are hereby invited from the candidate who are the citizen of India for filling up the post below in the office of the undersigned on contract basis kane ka contract for a period of 1 year and is renewable or which may be likely to extend from time to time subject to the satisfactory performance and a continuation of the scheme. Te kada name contract dan kisah renew biang kom tatarter. Te kerteng compose kada office assistant under PM portion scheme. Te qualification kada class 12 pass and above with diploma in computer in application. Tengmut ba video dep ya ka diploma ha ka computer application. Dep ya ka class 12 plus ya ka diploma in computer application. Desirable profile qualification pide done minimum 1 year experience in the field of online lane offline entry, excellent working knowledge of MS Office and management information system. Katulop ki ay khatar hajar shibanai fix bet kene tang khatar hajar te la don preng new pi ki bakwa ban apply nam ta kane ka post te philek no application who do not possess the above criteria need not apply. Bom don ni kita criteria kemudian ba amnon kam ban apply tang ki babiang kita criteria te gila ban apply. The last date for submission of application is on 10 July. The last date kan dei 14 July arja arpsau during office hour. Te kan dei ban lek submit ha po SDSEO Sub Divisional School Education Officer Ribhoi District Nongpo. Te ban pendap leng ba ka standard form. Nak pandap ki detail baro la submit ki dokumen te apply submit apok office during office hour. Kelas date ke 14 Julai kan mau qualification class 12 pass with diploma in computer application. Te kini ro kidon hangne desire profile te la dap hidon ka biang dap himdon ru kanang biang hi te mala da ki bun ki apply kidon ni kane ka experience berka excellent knowledge te kin kham shim kita kan. Te tangini ki jimtip khulai shibun.